As we were treating this garage, we came across several mud tubes. So we checked one of them out and found worker and soldier subterranean termites inside. Since their mud tube was destroyed, they're panicking right now and trying to rebuild it in order to protect themselves from the elements. We informed the owner, and he immediately opted in for a termite treatment. So for an effective treatment, since the subterranean termites live beneath ground level, we're going to drill into the walls and floors of the garage, as well as around the entire exterior perimeter of the home. Once that's done, we're going to inject a liquid termiticide, which binds to the treated areas and creates a protective zone that the termites can't detect. They're going to unknowingly come in contact with this treatment as they go about their business. They'll then bring it back to their nest and transfer it throughout their colony. In a short amount of time, the termites will be exterminated and the home will be protected from these wood-destroying insects for many years to come.